What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Invincible. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page, draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top of the eye. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So I'm going to start by lining up the top. You want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now from the bottom of the eyes, let's move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose with a curve coming down and up. Move up and draw a short curve across the bridge of the nose. Now we're going to move back down and draw in the mouth. From left to right, coming down and up. Add a small bracket on the ends. And then in the center, we're going to step down and draw a small curve for the lower lip. Now to move to the outside of the eyes, step out and draw the lower half of the head. We're going to start from the left side, we're going to come down, bend this around the chin, just underneath the mouth, go across, and then bend that up. Now we're going to move in and draw on the edge of the mask. Starting in the center, in between the eyes, we're going to angle this down and out. Now I want to continue this line on the bottom of the eye, coming down and out, and then draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the chin. Let's go back to the side of the head. We're going to draw a straight line going up towards the top of the mask. Now let's close off the top with a curve, going up, across, and then down. Along the side of the head, we're going to draw the ears, going up, come around, and then bend that in. Now we want to line that up on the right and do the same thing. Let's add a fold across the top of the ear, bend this up and then out. Move back in and add a hook. Now we're going to add the hair along the top. We're going to push this over towards the left side. So we're going to start from this point, bend this out and up. Now we're going to create a point. We're going to come in and up, go across, and add a fold. Let's step back, going up, across, and then down. Let's add another layer. Stepping back, going all the way around, down towards the side of the head. Now I'm going to add a point, going up, come around the side, and then in. Now we're going to add some texture hair along the bottom edge, going up and up from the left, move over and just add a couple more. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, just underneath the head, bend the body going out, and then down towards the hip, and then we'll line that up on the right. From the hips, move to the center, step all the way down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the left leg, going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's curve the bottom of the feet. We're going to start from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the side, curve the foot going up. I'm going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now, I'm going to go back up to the hips. Let's bend the leg going out, and then down on top of the feet. Now, I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway between the edge of the head and the hip. So we're going to start right here. We're going to bend the inside of the arm going out and down towards the wrist. And we'll line that up on the right side. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. And we'll close off the end with a curve. Now we want to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down and bend that up. Go to the side, add the second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to bend into the arm, going up and then in underneath the head. Now with the body in place, we're going to start adding in the details. Let's start by separating the top of each finger with a curve, starting from the outside, and just working our way in towards the thumb. From the wrist, we're going to step up, draw the edge of the glove, going up, and then bending that out. Now from the top of the arms, we're going to step in and add a curve from left to right, coming down, and then up. Now in the center, I'm just going to trace this along the bottom. From the ends, draw 2 straight lines coming down towards the hips. Now I want to angle this down and in towards the center point. From these 2 points, let's step down, curve this out, and then up. Now we're going to go up towards the top of the arms, bend this up, and then out. Let's go down towards the bottom of the feet. We're going to add a thick sole. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. Now we're going to go halfway up the leg and draw the edge of the boot. We're going to start on the left, angle this up and in, straight across. Now I want to bend this down and in toward the inside of the legs. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Invincible. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.